everyone! Welcome back to the channel! Today, we're going to discuss an important feature for your Shopify store that can significantly enhance your customers' experience. Customers often struggle to tell which image corresponds to which option of the product, and that can lead to frustration and complaints. Now, Shopify does allow you to provide images for specific variant, and it even has a switch to show only the image of the selected option. However, there's a catch. The default Shopify feature only lets you show one image per variant option. So, if you want to display multiple images for a single variant, you're out of luck with the standard setup. But don't worry! There's a way to work around this limitation and show only the images for the selected option in your product gallery. This approach not only helps clarify things for customers, but also ensures they can focus on what they're genuinely interested in. So why is this important? Well, it greatly improves customer experience. When customers can easily view and compare images of just the option they've selected, they avoid the confusion of sifting through a mixed gallery of images. This clarity makes their shopping journey much more enjoyable and reduces the chances of complaints. Another benefit is enhanced visual appeal. A clean and organized product gallery not only looks professional, but also invites customers to engage more with your products. When everything is clearly laid out, it encourages them to spend more time on your page. And let's not overlook conversion rates. By simplifying how products are presented, you empower your customers to make informed decisions, which can ultimately lead to increased sales. Now let's talk about how you can implement this feature on your Shopify store. Always remember to take a backup of your theme before changing any code. First, you'll need to open your theme code editor. This is where we'll add some necessary code. Start by accessing the section's main product liquid file in your theme code editor. Add the code we've provided to the end of the file. Next, move on to the snippets, Product Media Gallery liquid file. Here, you'll replace the existing code with our new code that will help filter the images based on the selected variant. After that, head over to Snippets, Product Media Modal liquid file, and replace the code with provided code. And go to Snippets Product Variant Picker liquid file and replace its contents with the code provided. Then you'll want to update your assets product info.js file by adding a new function called Set Variant Images. Add the code we've provided under line 17, 308, and 315. Next, we need to set up the variant options image alt text in your Shopify admin. Make sure each option image's alt text matches its corresponding option name exactly. If one option has multiple images, then you need to set up the same alt text for all of the images of that option. Our case is based on the variant color. Make sure that the spelling of the variant is exactly the same as the one in the code. Lastly, we need to enable this feature in the theme editor, Click on Customize, then go to the product template. In the product information section, find selected variant images and enable it. And that's it. By following these steps, you can effectively display only the images of the selected variant in your product gallery. It's all about improving customer experience and reducing confusion. If you're looking for the exact code snippets we discussed today, their link is right here on the screen and also in the comments below. So be sure to check those out. As always, if you have any questions or need further assistance while setting this up, feel free to drop a comment or reach out. We're here to help. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks. And we'll see you in our next video. Happy selling!